In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add new issue types in Jira Service Management. Now, if you're managing a team or handling multiple projects, customization is key, and being able to tailor Jira to suit your specific workflow can be a game changer. So let's dive right into it. To start, you'll need to access your Jira settings. This is easily done by clicking on the gear icon, which you'll find in the upper right corner of your Jira dashboard. Once you've done that, look for the Issues option in the drop-down menu and select it. This section is where you manage everything related to issues in Jira, which as we know are the core elements of tracking work. Next, you need to look for and click on the Add Issue Type button. This action is what lets us introduce new categories of issues that can be tracked and managed. It's especially useful when you want to tailor your issue types to fit your team's specific needs or to better categorize different types of work. After clicking, you'll be prompted to give your new issue type a name. It's a good idea to use clear and descriptive naming conventions here. Think names like new, new case, or new execution. Essentially, choose a title that conveys the nature of the tasks that will be associated with this issue type. As a tip, it's always helpful to be consistent with your naming conventions so everyone on your team is on the same page. Now, while you're naming your issue type, you might want to consider adding a description. This is an optional step, but it can be extremely useful to include a brief explanation of how and when this issue type should be used. Clear descriptions can help your team understand at a glance what this new category involves, reducing any potential confusion down the line. After setting the name and description, you'll need to decide on the type of issue you want to create. Jira gives you two main options here, a standard issue or a subtask. Standard issues are broad and can contain large tasks, whereas subtasks are smaller and more granular, usually forming parts of a larger issue. Choose the one that best fits the job at hand. Finally, to wrap up and make your new issue type active, simply click on the Add button. This button confirms all your inputs and saves the new issue type into your Jira system, making it available for use across your projects. And that's all there is to it. You've just created a new issue type in Jira Service Management, giving you yet another useful tool to keep your projects organized and efficient. Remember, the more tailored your system is, the better it can serve your needs. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Happy managing.